Hello, this is Jesse from OnlineBackupFinder.com. Today we'll be showing you SugarSync and how to download and install it. SugarSync is a great software that's based around syncing and sharing your files from any device as well as backup. As you can see here, they support a multitude of devices including iPhones, notebooks, iPads, as well as Macs, Android phones, Blackberries, and many other smartphones. So the first step of setting up SugarSync is the obvious: downloading now. Bring up a SugarSync file which will show you the steps. You want to save file, make sure the file is being downloaded, and then making sure to install it once it has been completed. So from here we'll save the download. We'll come back in 1 second once the download has been finished. Once the file is finished downloading, we'll want to double click on the executable file to bring the installation menu up. Where this file is saved may be different for different users, as you may be using an alternative browser. We're using Mozilla's Firefox, and so it'll bring up a downloadable window for us. On that, which we will double click to install. From there we will run the software, enter in our password, which I will have to block out, excuse me as I do this. And from here we will select our language. For me it will be English, and then it'll show the install. We can see our details, but I didn't even have enough time as the details went by very quickly. Now that SugarSync is loading, we'll be able to set up our options and choose which files we'll want to back up and save, share, file, and sync. So I don't have an account, so we'll create an account. Once you have created an account, you'll be able to select a plan. We'll be selecting the 5 GB free account, but for you have the options of setting up a 30 GB, 60 GB, 100 GB, or 250 GB plan. You can see the prices listed below. We'll select the 5 one and continue next. We can name the name of the computer and select an icon. We'll go with the alien here and call it computer. Our next step is which files we would like to back up and click next. You can add more files, do a drop down to see which files are there, and continue on. From here you'll be able to take the SugarSync tour. We will select next. It shows you the ability to sync with apps from Android, iPhone, iPads, Blackberry, Symbian, and mobile devices from Windows. You can download, upload any of your documents, photos, and videos, and check from your web browser of your mobile device. You can see which ones are syncing from your Mac Air to your work PC as shown in the example here, as well as log into a browser and check your documents from there. Finally, you'll be able to see the SugarSync icon in your tray system. This is so the Windows 7 version in the bottom right corner, which may be different from the Mac version. Now we'll click Finish, and as you can see we are now connected to SugarSync, and we have a SugarSync folder added onto computer, which allows us to sync online folders, share them, and do everything from below. This has been the SugarSync setup and installation guide. Next we'll have a guide on how to use SugarSync. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below or write us and we'll answer anything you need. Thank you again for watching. This is Jesse from OnlineBackupFinder.com. Have a great day.